Hi, I'm Susie Wilcox with Human Touch, and today I'm here to introduce you to the new WholeBody ROVE Pro massage chair. For over 40 years, Human Touch has been the pioneers in massage technology and zero-gravity recliners. Healthcare professionals asked us to create a chair to suit their in-office needs, and we delivered. Many healthcare professionals utilize Human Touch chairs before and after their treatment to relax their clients for a more effective session. Let me show you what makes this chair so special. WholeBody ROVE Pro features an open calf massager, which accommodates users of various heights. It also allows users to effortlessly exit and enter the chair without having to take their shoes on or off. Human Touch Safe is our antimicrobial material, which allows you to keep the chair easily clean in between users. The chair's functions are easily managed with our intuitive tablet remote with 8 preset programs that allows the user to easily choose their program of choice. The tablet is securely mounted to the chair, which is perfect for high traffic areas. You also have the option of 10, 20, or 30-minute programmed massages. WholeBody ROVE Pro features a massage softening pad that allows users to remove it for a more intense massage or use it for a less intense massage. The ROVE Pro is a game changer with personalized and rejuvenating massages. The WholeBody ROVE Pro features an S and L track massage system. The L track follows down from the neck and shoulders all the way down to your glutes and hamstrings, providing a rejuvenating massage. The S track follows the natural curvature of your spine, ensuring a natural and flowing massage experience. The AcuPoint detection system automatically scans your back to detect your shoulder height and your acupressure points for an effective massage. The WholeBody ROVE Pro features a full body stretching, which is utilized in chiropractic office as a decompression tool to bring nutrients, oxygen, and blood flow back to the spine and discs. This chair offers dual lumbar heat, which allows users to relax and rejuvenate the lower back. The Cloud Touch technology utilizes air cells to target key healing points in the body. The ROVE Pro features a zero-gravity seating position, which allows users to take the pressure off their spine, elevate their feet above their heart, and evenly distribute their body weight, the healthiest position recommended by doctors. The ROVE Pro has a wireless charging pad and a built-in USB port. This chair has a unique space-saving design. You only need 3 inches from the wall to fully recline the chair, which is perfect for those with limited space. Rest assured, the ROVE Pro is covered with a 3-year commercial warranty, offering 3 years coverage of parts and labor. Human Touch is the only chairs to be exclusively endorsed by the World Federation of Chiropractic as a validated supplement to back care therapies. The WholeBody ROVE Pro features kneading, rolling, compression, and percussion, allowing ultimate rejuvenation and a massage experience, providing soft tissue work before or after their treatment. Human Touch offers exclusive pricing only to healthcare professionals that allows you to increase your revenue stream when offering these to your patients. Human Touch makes offering these chairs to your patient effortlessly. We can drop ship directly to your patient home. We also offer a white glove delivery service where they would bring in the chair, set it up in the room of choice, and remove the boxes. Human Touch takes care of all customer service needs should your patients have any questions or concerns with their product. Thank you for your time today to learn about the WholeBody ROVE Pro massage chair. For more information, contact the commercial division at Human Touch.